Hi, so we are here to talk about the first day inside Big Boss 10 house. And I have with me Kameshwari. Kameshwari, what do you think about the surprise nominations that happened yesterday?
Well, it was quite surpriseful, as you said, because we saw four nominations, and one of it was Gaurav Chopra, who is very, very popular amongst the TV audience, especially. And looking at him, it did appear that he would be the first one to get evicted or get nominated on the first weekend itself. But I want to ask you that how do you think about Mona Lisa or Priyanka Jagga being nominated for the first weekend itself?
See, it was very evident to see Priyanka's name because, right from the moment she's entered the house, we've seen that she's been a little bold and confident, and she came across as a little, you can say, snobbish, or people were not able to deal with her loud nature. So maybe that was one of the reasons, also because she had a little tiff with some people in the house yesterday. And then regarding Mona Lisa, she's a famous Bhojpuri actress, but I think inside the house she's a little shy. She's not coming across as the bold characters she plays on screen. So I think she needs, if she survives inside the house, she needs time to build on that image of hers and come across as a really interesting character.
On that note, I would also add that it's very contrary to see that a commoner like Manu. To look at him is very interesting because he is trying to be the captain of the house within the first week. He's trying to rule commoners as well as celebrities, and because he got nominated, his after reaction of that was very interesting. He got all angry and was trying to boast. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. These people need to be in a line. On the contrary, Gaurav, who looks very serious,
very calm,
he's taking his time to understand what is this show about.
Also, I'd like to add that Manoj, like yesterday, we saw some news coming out that he has participated as a commoner, but he is not exactly a commoner. He had participated in this Malika Sherawat Swayamvar. I think he was there as one of the contestants. So I think he comes on the show with a purpose of getting fame, getting famous, because I think what the earlier show couldn't give him, he's targeting Big Boss to get the same. That's why, from day one, we've seen like how he has something in mind of like just to rule the show, and again, as you said, being the captain of the house. So I think he's really going to be a one interesting contestant to look forward to, and I'm sure he will survive. Interesting लोगों को Big Boss इतनी आसानी से निकाल दिया.
And with the concept of this commoners versus celebrities, one thing we are very sure of is celebrities are taking a lot of time to get themselves open in front of the camera, while the commoners are very confident. They are looking at the camera, they're talking to it, and doing what they want to, just like the normal way, and they know how to attract the audience, which is very interesting.
Actually, what happens that being a celebrity, you have an image to follow, which they have already always done that, and suddenly coming across with the Aam Janta representatives in the house, so थोड़ा सा उनको time लगेगा to come into their own mold, how they are in real life. But I think eventually that's all the purpose about this new format is on the show, to bring out the common man in the celebrities and how they are managed to survive in such a tough situation. And Kameshwari, what do you think? Who is your interesting candidate so far in the? I know it's too early to
That's
talk.
a tough question as well. But I think Swamiji is gonna be the most interesting with the kind of views that we're getting every day on him. It's gonna be perfect.
Did you
to
see the video
him.
of that he was slapping this woman? Some earlier video which had surfaced that he.
I know,
on
and
national television.
supposedly he calls everyone Devi in the house.
Devi,
I think
Lakshmi Devi.
even in the next episode we will see him talking something controversial about ladies. So it's all gonna go against him.
I think that one of the highlights of yesterday's episode was when he said that when he was born, he didn't cry, but he started
talking.
speaking. Yeah, so that was pretty interesting. But yeah, I think that day one, but it was quite interesting, and we hope that this entire buzz and this entire excitement around Big Boss continues, and we have loads of more stuff to look forward to in the coming episodes.